Protecting your brand is one of the most important steps in building a successful business. But many entrepreneurs are confused about the difference between the trademark symbol and the registered trademark symbol. These small marks carry significant legal implications that could make or break your brand protection strategy. The trademark symbol, shown as TM, and the registered symbol, shown as R in a circle, represent two very different levels of legal protection. The TM symbol can be used by anyone on any mark that represents their business, whether that's a logo, name, phrase, or design. It has no legal meaning, but signals your intention to claim that mark as your own. In contrast, the R symbol indicates that a mark is officially registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. This registration grants exclusive rights and substantial legal protections that unregistered trademarks simply don't have. Many business owners mistakenly believe these symbols can be used interchangeably. This is not the case. Using the TM symbol requires no formal process and offers no legal protection. You can place it on any mark your company uses without registration, often to indicate your intent to register it in the future. The most common use for the TM symbol is on a new phrase, logo, word, or design that a company plans to register. It helps stake your claim and alerts competitors that you intend to use this mark for your business. However, if your mark infringes on someone else's trademark, you're still at risk for legal trouble, even with the TM symbol. Before adding TM to your mark, conduct thorough research using the Trademark electronic search system. This helps ensure no similar mark already exists. If you find something similar, you'll need to modify your mark to avoid infringement. Once your trademark application is approved by the USPTO, you can legally start using the registered symbol. This shows competitors, customers, and others that you legally own the exclusive rights to this mark. Using the R symbol before approval is against the law and can lead to penalties. The legal differences between unregistered and registered trademarks are substantial. A registered trademark provides exclusive nationwide rights to the mark and the ability to sue for infringement in federal court. It establishes a legal presumption of ownership, making it easier to enforce your rights. Federal registration also grants access to international protections through treaties like the Madrid Protocol. Companies planning long-term brand protection should prioritize registration over simply using the TM symbol. There are 4 main reasons trademark laws exist. First, they protect consumers from buying poor quality products from another manufacturer. Second, trademarks advertise services and goods. Third, they guard the commercial interests of a company. And fourth, they identify the origin of a specific product or service. Without trademark protection, companies could copy each other's designs or create similar marks, leading to consumer confusion. This makes it difficult for customers to stay loyal to a brand they trust. Common law trademark rights offer some protection if you've been using a mark in regular business practices. However, proving who used a mark first can be nearly impossible without formal registration. If a competitor files for trademark registration before you do, the USPTO will consider their filing date when deciding who gets the trademark. Registering your trademark offers numerous advantages. It provides nationwide protection, preventing others from using a similar mark anywhere in the United States. It creates a legal presumption of ownership, strengthening your position if disputes arise. Registration gives you the right to sue in federal court and serves as a deterrent to competitors. Without registration, your protection is limited to geographic areas where you actively use the mark. This creates significant issues when expanding your business nationally. 5 years after registration, your mark becomes incontestable, providing clear evidence of your right to use it. Incontestable trademarks hold stronger protection against infringement and limit the defenses that infringers can raise. When deciding which symbol to use, remember that TM is appropriate for unregistered marks you wish to claim, while R should only be used after the USPTO has granted registration. Many companies use TM during the application process and switch to R once approved. Some common misconceptions about trademarks include thinking that a registered domain name provides the same protection as a trademark, believing generic words can be trademarked, assuming registration lasts forever without renewal, and thinking you don't need to monitor your trademark for infringement. Failing to register your trademark can lead to significant risks. Another business might register a similar mark first, forcing you to stop using yours. Proving ownership becomes more difficult, and you face a higher risk of infringement with limited enforcement options. Unregistered trademarks also restrict business growth, since they only hold rights in areas where they are actively used. Understanding the differences between trademark and registered trademark symbols is essential for protecting your brand. While the TM symbol signals your intention to claim a mark, only the R symbol provides the comprehensive legal protection needed to secure your brand's future. Taking the steps to properly register your trademark is one of the most valuable investments you can make in your business's long-term success.